Breaking news, a lunchbox roller coaster ride on Cedar Point in Toyota. Someone got struck by lightning. They thought the ride was completely safe due to the sunny weather. At least a whole roller coaster was in lightning and everyone was blown to pieces. Now a worker has seen it on video. How did this lightning hit the roller coaster at thunder a minute a day? Yes, so it happened in 2001 and June 11th in Toyota. Happened at almost 9 a.m. Our roller coaster was open 2 hours, 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. Roller coaster was struck by lightning on this video. No! And the ride completely stopped. 2 lightnings hit people. All dead. At least 37 people on that roller coaster. 10 survived, while 1 is gone and dead.